going to the minority cluster because I see my friend Waris Pathan getting extremely agitated कि भाई ओवैसी जी ने क्या चमत्कार किया ये क्यों नहीं बता रहे. ओवैसी जी पर आ रही हूं and let's go to the minority cluster. The NDA, JVC, you want to explain? Exactly. NDA 34, are they going to win these or do they?
They're leading in 34. Minority cluster. So let me make one point here, Navika ji. Bihar politics is all about Kamandal and Mandal. When the minority population starts to go up 25, 27, 28%, caste doesn't matter, Kamandal comes into picture. When the minority population starts to dip from 12, 8, 5, it becomes Mandal. I'll give you an example. Kishanganj, which has got 62% Muslim population. BJP gets 33 to 35% and comes second. Sweetie Singh has been fighting there and they do not bother about Yadav, Kori, Kurmi, nothing. Jatav, nothing. Vote.
The Hindu vote consolidates
Shahpur.
So out of 56.
In Shahpur, there are 28% Brahmins, 25% Yadavs, 5% Muslims. RJD wins with the Brahmin candidate. Now understand Kamandal and Mandal. So that is the reason why minority cluster NDA leads.
Well, NDA leading in 34 out of the 56 minority seats.
And 20% and above.
I see.
Okay. If it has Muslim population of more than 20%, we bunch it together in a minority, predominantly minority, where they can impact and influence the voting patterns. That's how we've classified it. 56 seats in Bihar out of the 243 in that cluster. BJP currently leading in 34 of those, Mahagathbandhan in 14, BJP in 23, JDU in 9, LJP 1 and RLM is 1.
Snehalata Kushwaha.
Exactly. Now, if the BJP is also leading in minority cluster.
Bihar has an 18% minority, if I'm correct. Then that's all of Bihar then. How do you...
No, there are pockets. 62%.
There are pockets.
I just have a... Okay, carry on.
There are pockets where it is more and there are pockets where it is less, and that's how it has been classified scientifically based on the population of those constituencies. That is what. And the AIMIM is likely to get 3 out of 56 in this. Last time the RJD actually did a smart one, or rather an unethical one on the AIMIM. This time, Owaisi paying back, pulling out 3, dividing the vote. Is that the reason why they are down to 14? BJP is up to 34. काम हो गया वारिस पठान जी, ओवैसी जी का मैसेज पहुंच गया, क्योंकि आज सुबह I saw the tweet that was put out by your Delhi chief Shoaib Jamai साहब, and he said, if you had not spawned us the manner in which you did, you would still be ruling the minority cluster. Waris Pathan, I want to ask you, delivered and dusted?
Well, Navika, to those who rejected our proposal for alliance, ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी. We had told them that we'll be contesting, and see, your exit polls are, I don't believe they are not exact polls. Your exit poll came at 6 p.m. wherein the polling was going on till 7:30. So I don't believe that, but let me ensure you in Simanchal itself, we will be getting +8, between 8 to 10 seats. This for sure, because people have voted their heart out. In Kishanganj, the polling was more than 78%, Balrampur more than 76%. So people have voted for us and we'll be getting good seats. And we have already stated, we told them, okay, come, let us join an alliance, give us six seats. We were demanding only 6 seats, but they did ignore us. Whatever they might be having in the mind, but they did not share this with us, so we've contested, and I am sure that we will be getting maximum number of seats this time by winning. And whatever the data collected by your people, my information from the candidates and the local people, I was there for 14 days with Osad Owaisi Sahab, and we went everywhere in Simanchal, and as per my information, we are getting not less than 8 seats in Simanchal.
Well done.
Will be a record.
Waris Pathan Sahab, I'm with you. Before every result,
you know,
before every result in school, I also told my mother the same thing कि मैं first आने वाली हूँ.
And now when we are contesting,
वो रिजल्ट के बाद अलग बात है. 2 बार डांट क्यों खाना है पेरेंट्स से? So you tell before the result that I'm coming first. After the result, the reality everybody knows. But